Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Honda Civic SE, stock number Z7942XX. 39,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Taffeta white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star overall government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. High-mounted speedometer, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. You can sync smartphones to Pandora radio apps. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Automatic transmission. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Along with a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, the Civic has a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder, 143 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 30 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 39 on the highway, all that with new tires. For more information on this Civic, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.